Mystery. Well, India is filled with mystery. Apart from rich heritage, culture, and tradition, India has some darkest secrets which are unsolved mystery to the world. India is definitely a land of mystery. Just by thinking about reading a mystery story always excites us because mysterious stories are always filled with plot twists, unsaid surprises, and enigma. So, here are some of the top 8 mysterious places in India which are spooky and unsolved. Without any further ado, let's get to know the enigma of India. First place in our list is Kuldara village. This village in Jaisalmer, Rajasthan is an abandoned village. This village was established around the 13th century. It was a very prosperous and rich village in the state. 300 years ago, this village was a well-rich Paliwal Brahmins village, but later it became abandoned. The legend says the village was abandoned because of the evil eyes of the man named Salim Singh, who was the most powerful minister in the state. His evil eyes fell on the beautiful daughter of the village head, and he was desired to marry her by hook or crook. When her father objected to letting him marry her, he threatened the village people about the consequences. He said he is going to impose high taxes on the village and that it will become impossible for the villagers to survive in the village. They can't pay high taxes and they don't want to give their precious daughter to that man. So the Palivals held a council and decided to move from the village. As they decided, everyone from the village moved somewhere and vanished away like a thin air. Till now, no one knows where the Palivals went. But before leaving, they put a curse on the village that after them no one can live in this village. Until now, the village is barren. The place is protected by the Archaeological Survey of India. We can enter the village with their permission and should return before sunset. Place in our list is Skeleton Lake in Uttarakhand. What if you find hundreds of skeletons of people from the lake every summer? Well, that would be weird, right? Here in Roopkund, Uttarakhand, we can find plenty of skeletons on this lake every summer, and that gave this lake a special name, which is the Skeleton Lake. This lake is settled in the Himalayas and it is 16,500 feet above from the sea level. It is a frozen lake, but the ice gets melted during summertime. The researchers says that these skeletons are 1,200 years old. Scientists says that these skeletons belong to the Indian tribe who lost their lives due to the hailstorms. Initially, the researchers believed that the owners of these skeletons were Japanese soldiers who lost their lives during World War II while crossing this route. Some said that these skeletons belonged to the General Zorawar Singh of Kashmir and his men, who died after fighting the battle, and some even said that these skeletons belonged to the people who lost their lives in the name of suicidal ritual. Now they concluded that the skulls belonged to the pilgrims who lost their lives while going to worship Nanda Devi Raj, and the marks on their shoulders and skull said that they were hit by something round like a cricket ball. Trekkers can find plenty of skulls in this area during summer. Tell us in the comment section whether do you want to visit this place in summer. The third one is the mysterious bird suicide in Jatinga, Assam. During September and October, especially during the moonless nights, the birds behave strangely in this village, Jatinga. Jatinga, this small and only hill station in Assam, is experiencing this strange and bizarre bird suicide. The locals on this village find plenty of dead birds on the roads of the village during the September and November months. When the government and some reputed ornithologists tried to the reason behind this bizarre suicide, they found out it is due to the disorientation of the birds due to the high altitude and the fog. The villagers made bamboo poles and the birds got hit by the pole and injured and died. But the locals believe that this is due to the evil spirits of the moonless nights which terrorize the birds. The next one on our list is also from Rajasthan. It's Bangar Fort. People believe that this place is haunted, and due to some strange happenings, the Archaeological Survey of India prohibited entering the fort after sunset. One legend says Emperor Madho Singh asked one of the saint who was meditating there to build a fort. He gave his permission, and also he said that the building's shadow should not fall on his retreat. The emperor also agreed to his condition, but soon after the completion of the fort, the shadow fell on the saint's retreat, and the saint cursed the fort and it crumbled into pieces. Another legend says that the Bangar fort is haunted because of the beautiful Princess Ratnavati. They say that her beauty was flawless and it was praised across the boundaries and borders. After she turned 18, many kings across the world asked for her hand in marriage, and a man named Singhiya, who is a believer of black magic, was smitten by her beauty. He was hell-bound to get her married to him, so he thought to do some tricks on her. Luckily, he saw the princess mistress in the market and she was buying some oil. He spilled some black magic on that oil, and when the princess touched that oil, she came to know his dirty trick. Threw the bottle away, and that bottle turned into a rock and it hit him. While dying, he cursed the princess, her entire family and the whole village, and he died after cursing. Locals say that after the death of the magician, there was a battle between Bangar and Ajabgarh, and Ratnavati lost the battle and died there. They believe it was the curse that made them lose the battle. The fifth one on our list is Malana village. This village in Himachal Pradesh is also called as a mysterious village of Malana. I personally love Himachal Pradesh. The scenic beauty is worth watching. But what is the mystery which should be solved in the beautiful place? The village follows many old traditions and cultures. The strange thing is that just won't allow any outsiders to touch them or their belongings. They are very much friendly, but when it comes to physical contact, they are very strict. If any outsiders touch their body accidentally, they will immediately rush to take a bath. Just say they are the descendants of Aryans, and some are saying they are the descendants of Alexander the Great. The Malanese people speak a particular language named Kanashi, and the outsiders are not allowed to speak their language. More than a mystery, they follow their old traditions, more religious. The mysterious place is Kodinhi village in Kerala. Calling this place with its own name, this place is often called as Twin Village or Twin Town of India. What if you find twins everywhere? Literally everywhere. This place is a small village and it has almost 400 pairs of twins. And the strange thing is, the girls who are getting married from this particular place are also delivering twins even after moving away from their village. How is that even possible? Researchers are trying to find a reason behind it, and once they came up with an unsatisfied conclusion that it is because of their water and food, but later it proved that was not the reason. Researchers are continuously trying to unsolve the mystery, but it remains unsolved. The second last one is Shani Shignapur, Maharashtra. In a world filled with thieves and mafias and rapists, we can't let our doors open even in the morning. But in this place, Shani Shignapur in Maharashtra, people don't even fix doors at their houses. This place has zero in its house. Imagine, homes are doorless, shops are unlocked. But don't they have fear about thieves and rapists? Strangely, no. They believe in their god Shani. 300 years ago, the place was attacked by heavy rain and floods. During that time, they found a 1.5 meter rock on the shores of the Canal River. When they touched the rock with the stick, blood was oozing out from the boulder. Later that night, God Shani appeared in the dreams of the village head and said that the rock is his own idol. So the head ordered some men to place that rock on the village, and he decided to stay there. But Shani ordered that he wants to look after the village every time and he doesn't want any disturbance in that. And he promised that he won't allow any danger inside the village. They believed that their holy guardian would save them from any danger, so they removed their doors from their houses and shops. They don't even have a door in washrooms, but a simple curtain for their privacy. Strangely or luckily, the police station received zero complaints from their village except December 2015. The villagers believed that if the thieves tried to do some mischief, would be punished with blindness. The last one on our list is a beach in Gujarat. It's called Dumas Beach, or should I say the haunted beach. This place is pure heaven during daytime and Demon's Palace during twilight. It is attracting major tourists in Surat. but they all vanish away from that place like thin air before sunset for their own good. But if someone wants to challenge the demons and devils, they either vanish like magic or they will be having heart-thundering and spine-chilling experiences to share. This beach is famous for its black sand and hauntings too. Legends say that this place was once a burial ground and the souls are still wandering the place. The reason behind the black sand is creepy. The locals say that the ashes of the body are mixed with the sand and gradually it becomes black. The police received many complaints about this beach. It includes many tourists who were missing. The locals could hear spooky and spooky crying and shouting from the place after the moon showed up. Also, once they received a complaint that a man was found dead on the sand and his tongue was popping out gross. Comment if you want to go there after sunset. That was the end of our video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, then give a thumbs up to this video and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Scholar Media and comment down which place you want to add to your next bucket list. Also, tell us whether you want